Hi, I'm Ginger. I live in Las Vegas, and I live with my 6 Vegas babies, these beautiful desert tortoises, ranging from a hatchling all the way up to an old dude that's just over 50 years old. He may be 80, I don't know. He came to me when he was an adult, and that was about 30 years ago. I'm making these videos for entertainment and a little education. So this right here is Michelangelo, and he is the only one awake right now. They're all starting to brumate or hibernate. That means they're going to be sleeping for about 4 months. So I may not share them with you until March, April, except the hatchling, Merida, the hatchling. She won't hibernate the first year, and there's reasons on that, and I'll talk more about that later. So what I really wanted to make this video about is something that I noticed in the last year or two since I've had these 1- and 2-year-olds, is in the morning they wake up and they have a big yawn, and it's just so adorable. So I thought, well, I'll just video them in the morning when they wake up and yawn, and then share the yawns with you because they're so relaxing. And I think it's also a sign that they're happy and they're content and they're comfortable and they feel safe. So enjoy the yawns. Thank you for watching our yawns. These little dinosaurs are amazing creatures, and I think that they are more like us than we realize. And the more I watch them, I see that. And I hope to share that with you. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. So say goodbye, Michelangelo. Bye. Okay, thanks. Bye, guys.